Welcome to Module 5. In this module, we're going to explore how to help young people grow in self-awareness. The path to becoming more familiar with their authentic selves is achieved by incorporating the bonus page, Patterns and Reflections, on page 167 in the Dream Up Now journal. We are what we repeatedly do, as highlighted by contributor Rich Redmond in the emotion set, I Feel Happy and I Feel Sad. This isn't new information. Aristotle outlined how intellectual excellence owes its birth and growth mainly to instruction, and so requires time and experience, while moral excellence is the result of habit or custom. In short, both cognitive learning and values development require time and repetition. The Patterns and Reflections bonus page encourages participants to gain self-awareness skills by pausing to reflect on recurring people, places, events, or challenges showing up in your participants' completed activities. This helpful tool can uncover issues which are not serving a participant's positive self-image. Once they're uncovered, a young person is empowered to ask. This essential bonus page helps young people clarify what needs their attention and care. We'll also share the keys to self-awareness and discuss the potential for your participants to confront their own pain as well as their joy. We'll look at ways to manage your group in the process of sharing difficult or painful memories and how to instill resilience in your participants. The good news, closure is already built into our method. We call it moving from darkness into light. This module is especially valuable because we explore why self-care is necessary for your well-being. Your self-care practice is a quietly powerful demonstration of what it means to live well for the young people you're leading. It's commonly understood that one of the best methods of teaching is through modeling. Having successfully negotiated your own adolescence, you're undoubtedly more familiar with your unique habits, tendencies, areas of concern, and reasons for joy. For the heartfelt givers among us, determined to always put everyone before our own needs, the lesson in this module also serves to demonstrate how we can lead young people to improve their own feelings of self-respect. By creating our own personalized self-care routine and incorporating it into our lifestyle, we're modeling for our participants, loved ones, and those counting on us how they can improve their own situation, while at the same time recharging our batteries to continue the good fight for the values and principles for which we stand. What makes this module so especially engaging is that you'll have the opportunity to reflect on what's important to you, enrich what you value in your life, and respect your own needs by actively focusing on giving yourself the best possible care. It's a lot like the well-known maxim when flying in an airplane. You have to put on your own air ventilator first if you hope to be of help to others. The way you nurture and care for yourself is equally as vital as the care you give others. Let's face it, being fully present, curious, patient, and encouraging requires energy. Acknowledging the familiar airline directive to put on your ventilator first in the event of an emergency, we'll explore how carrying on in selfless mode is not authentic selflessness, what self-care is, and just as importantly, what it is not, and why self-care isn't selfish. Why saying no to some requests will improve rather than detract from how others perceive your value. We'll share key steps to building your own personalized self-care action plan, covering each segment in the self-care pentagon, including movement, adulting, relaxation, socializing, and of course, creativity. It's going to feel pretty good too, because we'll be shining a light on everything that makes you feel happy, healthy, and energized. A leader whose cup is overflowing is best able to give of themselves. A leader who feels personally fulfilled is taking thoughtful care of themselves and engaging in creative work that brings them joy. A leader who feels personally fulfilled is equipped to live a big, beautiful life of love and is fully equipped to lead others to discover their own big and beautiful lives as well. You'll learn how to create a personalized self-care pentagon and schedule your favorite rejuvenating activities in your calendar. And at the end of the module, you'll be invited to share your insights in our private Facebook group, Dream Up Now, Leaders, Success, and Support. Let's get started.